Today we're going to do a science experiment to erupt a really fun experiment. So you need vinegar, you need baking soda, and a cup of baking. You need to make it erupt. You need to put the baking soda in the vinegar. Let's do it.
Hand me the baking soda.
No, first is that.
Oh, first you put this in here?
Yeah.
Put it in here?
Yeah.
How much?
Whatever.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, can you put this in here?
How much?
Like a small amount.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you have to wait.
Wow.
Erupt! Erupt! Ah!
Here, you want to put more in? It'll rub on the plate. Wow!
That's so cool! That's so cool. Let's do it again.
Put some.
That's why. Let's put more baking soda in to make it erupt.